So we'll be talking about the prepositions. So we'll start with a small activity. Okay, come here. Right. Okay. So we have these two things here. We have a picture of this placard of a tree and a monkey. So we are going to discuss a few prepositions using these. Right. So first you will speak one preposition. Come here. Use this and tell about one preposition that you can talk about using this. That means you have to frame a sentence using a preposition. And these two cards.
The monkey is standing behind the tree.
Okay, very good. So here, can you please read? Yes.
The monkey is standing behind the tree.
Now here, if you can see, she has monkey here, and that is behind the tree, right? So we have used the preposition here, behind. So what is this word behind telling us? That is telling us the position of the monkey. Uski position bata raha. So prepositions tell us about the position of a noun or a pronoun, right? So I'll call some of the students one by one quickly, and then we'll discuss a few prepositions. But don't repeat. Whosoever is coming here, please don't repeat. Vanshika. That should be visible.
The monkey is standing on the branches of the tree.
Is standing on the branches of the tree. So what is the preposition here?
On.
Okay. Next, quickly raise your hands. Who will come? Jasmine. Quickly. Abhineet, come and start. It should be visible. Can you remove your mask while speaking at least?
The monkey is climbing up the tree.
Is climbing up the tree. So what is up here? Preposition. Okay. Next. Manthan, come next.
The apples are hung.
Hung तो कोई word ही नहीं होता है. It's either hanged or hung. और यहाँ पे
The apples are hung on the tree.
are hanging करना है. Are hanging on the tree. Again, the preposition that she has used is on only.
The monkey is standing under the tree.
The monkey is standing under the tree. Quickly, Japji. You want to come, Jasprit? No. After this, you want to come.
The monkey is standing in front of the tree.
Yes, the monkey is standing in front of the tree. He is standing in front of the tree because tree के सामने खड़ा हुआ है.
The monkey is hiding behind the tree.
Can you see? Is it visible? Yes.
The monkey is hiding behind the tree.
That behind what I think we have already discussed. Do you have any other word in your mind? No one? No? Okay. There's so many words. Yes.
The monkey is lying on the tree.
Lying on the tree. Why would he lie on the tree? Okay, fine. He's lying on the tree. Next. Who be after her? You will come. After that, Anhat. Quickly, please. You have to use these while speaking.
The monkey is sitting on the tree.
On word already we have used so many times. Can you use some other word?
The monkey is lying behind the tree.
Behind also we have used. Okay. Yes, Bhuvi, come quickly. You'll have it. She'll have water first. Then she'll come. Yes.
The monkey is sitting beside the tree.
Yes, he's sitting beside the tree. Very good. So when anything is on the side of something, then you use the word beside. Have you had it on? Then don't raise your hand, please. Anhat. Yashika will come after Anhat.
The monkey is sitting on the top of the tree.
Okay, on what use होगा ना? Whether he is sitting on the tree or he is sitting at the top of the tree. ठीक है? Yes.
The monkey is sitting near the tree.
Yes, he is sitting near the tree. Any other word that you have in mind? What is the word?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I
Above.
speak one second?
Okay, he's above the tree, then it would be at the gap. So gap पे होता है, ऊपर होता है, but that is on a gap. Dashminda, what word do you have?
Excuse me,
Opposite.
ma'am.
Okay. Opposite would be like this, right? इसका आमने सामने opposite. Janvi,
Excuse me, ma'am.
two. Can you tell me in the sentence form?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes. The monkey is climbing up the tree to pluck the apples. But to pluck here, to pluck is here a verb. To pluck. Okay, it is a verb here. Hanji.
Ma'am.
Across.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is moving across the tree. अब यहाँ पे across the tree नहीं हो सकता because across basically means going from yes, on the top we have already discussed, Abhishek. Across word tree के साथ use नहीं हो सकता because across word is used when you go from one side of some place to the other. So here you can see the monkey is moving around the tree. If he is moving around the tree के आसपास चक्कर लगा रहा है, then he is moving around the tree, right? So what else? Jabji. Okay, under word already we have used. Okay, he's going away from the tree. Yes. Ramjot. He has come closer. Closer. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Closer क्या होगा? Okay. Yes, Dev. Can he sit over the tree? No, he can jump over the tree. How can he jump over the tree when he goes from one side to the other without touching the tree? That is called going over from something, right? So you can say that the monkey is jumping over the tree. वो यहाँ से jump करके इधर जा रहा है. Yes, Naman. हाँ, he's sitting next to the tree. वो tree के बिल्कुल साथ बैठा हुआ है. Is far from the tree. वो tree से दूर है. Far from.
The monkey is standing in the front of the tree.
In front of, I think we have already discussed. Shivam.
The monkey is right under the branches.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just under the branches, okay. Now you can also say that the monkey takes his breakfast at 7 in the morning. So if you say the monkey takes his breakfast at 7 in the morning, what is the preposition here? Right? So if somebody asks you to frame sentences like this, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि tree को लेके ही और monkey को लेके ही दोनों को एक साथ लेके आपने frame करने हैं. You can use any sentence. You can write a short story also. Imaginary एक story लिख सकते हो monkey और tree को लेके, and then in every sentence you can try to use a preposition. ठीक है?
Excuse me.
Okay. So this was a brief introduction of how we are going to do the prepositions. Now I request everybody to open the book because it would be fine if we read from the book itself. Just a minute. Please everybody be attentive now. I hope everybody is having the book with him. Who's saying no? Why? I think I announced on the last day. Did you see the homework? Did you see the homework? It was reading of chapter preposition. That means next you are going to start with prepositions only. Okay, now let us see the book. You have already learned that prepositions are little words like at, in, on, or off, etc. Hanji, what do you want? Sit quietly there. There are many kinds of prepositions. Some prepositions are used to show place or where something happens. कहाँ पे कोई चीज हो रही है, कहाँ पे कोई action हो रहा है, कहकर वो place बताते हैं, and simply place भी बता देते हैं किसी चीज की कि उसकी position कहाँ पे है. For example, the children are playing on the beach. So on word is telling the position of the children. Next, my mother is in the garden. Again, in word जो है okay. In word is again telling where the mother is. The dog is hiding behind the rock. Here it is telling us the position of the dog, where the dog is. Next is the children are playing under a big tree. Here Vanshika. So here again, where are the children playing? They are telling the under word is telling the place or the position of the children. So some prepositions are used to show time or when something happens. कब कोई action हुआ था, कुछ prepositions ये भी बताते हैं. So let us see the schools. Why you people are so inattentive today? What's wrong? You seem to be very low, as if you don't have energy or you are not interested. What happened? Be active, bete. Movie, can you please stop it? Can you please stop it? Continuously you are talking. So some prepositions are used to show time or when something happens. The school starts at 7:30. So at word here is a preposition that is telling about the time. No shop opens on Sunday. Again, on word is used with the days. Days के साथ on word होता है. On Monday, on Tuesday. For a particular time we use at. Then we visited Goa during summer vacation. Now where do we use this word during? During is when a thing is done in between a stretch of time. Means आपको starting और end time के बीच में दो time gaps के जो पूरा gap है, दो time के बीच में जो पूरा gap है, उस time पे अगर कोई आप action करते हैं for a long time like, ठीक है, ये नहीं कि अभी start किया अभी बंद कर दिया. During means यहाँ पे summer vacation है, इसका मतलब summer vacation के दौरान. So between, in between starting to the end, उसके बीच में आप कभी गोवा गए, right? So during is used when we are talking about a stretch of time. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. So when you are talking about a particular date, then you use the word on. What do we use for years? Years जब use करते हैं, N. Okay. Some prepositions are used for special or other purposes. अब कुछ prepositions special purpose के लिए use होते हैं. Let us see some examples. People have now have not started traveling by the metro. So by here is the preposition. Next we have rice and vegetables for lunch. So what is the preposition here? For. Next. Next is Rani was late and the bus left without her. So with and without both are prepositions. Now prepositions are always followed by a noun. Prepositions के बाद हमेशा कोई noun आएगा or a noun phrase. Noun phrase is a short जो phrases आपने किए हैं, ठीक है, ये अभी आपको you won't be able to understand this, or a pronoun. So it is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. So if you can see the examples here, my sister is sitting on the chair. Chair के ऊपर बैठी है, ठीक है. In the chair भी होता है. Do you know the difference where we use on or in? But I say he's sitting on the chair, and I also say he's sitting in the chair. Can you tell the difference between the two? Actually, when a chair or anything where we sit has arms around it, जब arms होते हैं ना वहाँ पे in भी use कर लेते हैं. Otherwise both are correct, right? But the basic difference दोनों में यही है. When we have the arms around the chair or the sofa, then we use the word on. In. Otherwise we can use the word on also. The boys are hiding behind the stage. We visited the Jog Falls during the summer holidays. Why we have used during here? Summer vacation. It's a long time. उसके बीच में गए थे वो. Many children travel by the metro every day. Everyone was staring at her. So whenever we use this word stare, उसके साथ हमेशा क्या आता है? At आता है. We never say don't stare me. We always say don't stare at me. Okay. If you remember in class 2, you had done that chapter Haldi's Adventure. उसमें भी stare word था, and we that time also the teacher must have told you कि stare के साथ हमेशा at आता है. Next, the bus left without him. They are talking about the concert. So about here is also a preposition. Let us come to the next page. Study the prepositions that you use to show place. Now, what are the words that you can use to talk about the place? The place के बारे में बात करते हैं तो कौन-कौन से prepositions use होते हैं? Upon, on, down, under, outside, inside. Right? Okay. So next position. If you want to talk about the position of something, so we can use the word beside. I just told you what is beside. Sitting next to someone or being next to someone is called beside. What is the difference between beside and besides, by the way? These two are different words, beside and besides. Yes. Yes, उसके अलावा I like playing cricket besides hockey. मुझे hockey खेलने के अलावा cricket खेलना भी पसंद है. Against can be used that he was against he married her against her parents' wish. So that is against. उसके खिलाफ. What is the other against? If you suppose if we talk about I'm standing with the help of this wall. मैं wall के साथ ऐसे लग के खड़ी हूँ. Then you can say that I am standing against the wall. Right? Next is between, you know, when in between the two things, between and in between, both are correct. Next is among. बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच में जब कोई होती है चीज तो बहुत सारे लोगों के या बहुत सारे अदर नाउन्स के बीच में हो. Opposite, आमने सामने. Through, किसी चीज के बीच में से, जैसे the thief jumped through the window, बीच में से निकलना. Right? After, उसके बाद में आफ्टर आगे होता है. अच्छा जी, आफ्टर, बिफोर, बिटवीन. आफ्टर इज व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट. व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर. बिफोर आपके आगे होता है. So this is before, this is after. Not this is after and this is before. Okay. Next is over. Over means ऊपर से अभी I just told you. Up, down, नीचे, right? Okay. So some prepositions are made of a group of words also. So, by now, whatever prepositions you have done, mostly prepositions हमने single words में की थी. But in class 4, I think you had learned some. इसमें group of words आ रहे थे कि इनके साथ particularly यही वाली आती हैं. Right? So now we are talking about a preposition that can be used as a group of words. Not a single word is there in preposition. Can you give me an example that you have done previously also? पहले भी कियो कोई ऐसे group of words वाली? Yes, in front of we have been doing in class 2. Class 2 से कर रहे हैं in front of. So in front of में देखो कितने आ गए. In front of we have 3 words there. So sometimes a preposition can be of a single word only. It can be of 2 words. It can be of 3 words also. So let us see a few examples here. Ahead of means, can anybody use this as in a sentence? Ahead of. Okay. Yes, अपने सिस्टर से आगे है. Have you come here to talk? It seems like. Next, close to means किसी चीज के पास होना, right? In between, I told you, in between means between and in between, both are same. In front of, we have discussed. Away from means किसी से दूर हो जाना. On board. Have you ever heard this? On board. He was on board.
On board of light is on this. No.
He was on board. On board होना means जाने के लिए कहीं पे ready होना. This is usually used when you are traveling by by aeroplane. सबसे ज़्यादा aeroplane में use होता है. By ship when you are traveling means वो वहाँ पे present था, means he was ready to go there. On top of. इसको can anybody use it in a sentence? Wait now. see, he is not sincere at all. जितना मैं देख सकती हूँ, as far as मैं जितना मैं समझ सकती हूँ, जितना मैं जान सकती हूँ, the as much as जिसे बोलते हैं as much as, ऐसे as far as जितना मेरे को समझ आ रहा है. Next to means उसके साथ बिल्कुल. Up to, what are you up to? बोलते हैं ना, what are you up to? What does that mean? Means तुम क्या करने वाले हो? What is he up to? Means वो क्या करने वाला है? All over. Okay. So now we have exercise number 1, 2, and 3 that we will do at home today. Right? In between exercise number 2 and 3, there are a few words again, though we are going to read them quickly. Learn how to use with, by, of, for, to, about, into, besides, from. So we stopped her from exercising too much. So you have, if you are stopped from exercise karne se. Mr. Roy danced with his wife. I told you with and without. Agar यहाँ होता Mr. Roy danced without his wife, even then it would be a preposition here. He dived into a pool. Why have we used into and why not in here? Because he has moved into the water, and when anything moves into the other thing, then we use into, right? What are you looking for? So for here, he is about to leave. About. Besides being rich, he is generous also. Yes, rich होने के साथ साथ या rich होने के अलावा वो generous भी है. What is generous? Kind. Next, leave by the door to your right. Leave by मतलब तुमने जाना है तो उसे रास्ता बता रहा है. Leave by the door to your right. कि तुम्हारे right side पे जो door है वहां से तुम बाहर जा सकते हो, वहां से तुम leave कर सकते हो. He is going to school just now. What are you afraid of? Right? So here we have used a few prepositions again. Now you are to fill the exercise number 1, 2, and 3 using these mostly these prepositions only, which we have already discussed. So tomorrow we'll continue with the rest.